Good day, my fellow Nigerians, and everybody when go hear this one I dey talk so. Now wetin be say I would like make I talk about this matter so that we go fit discuss how, or we fit talk am in our pidgin language. This language, this broken English, or we call am pidgin English, na the way we fit talk to ourselves for Nigeria. Because my government na for the grassroots o, na for the people wey dey for ground. Because if you look am, since 1999 when this democracy come, my people don't understand wetin government dey do again. All the government when they promise and they come fail all these things, go reach this one we dey so. We no fit talk the promise because everybody know wetin dem talk. But my own be say, no be say we wan go there go to say we wan go dey look for how we take do everything wey go be like magic o. But that one wey we go do for our people, we go do am. Na be the assurance wey I wan tell them. Say that one wey belong to the people, we will give them. And that is why we dey try tell them, say see where they for make mistake. Many of them, they no understand how this thing be. Na that's why they no fit get am. Na wetin you know, na you go fit tell or help people with. If you no know am, you no go fit do am. And that is why we come take our time. Take time well. Take go the school when oyibo people don put for ground, so that we go fit know am. Both the one they do for computer o and the one they do for ground. And learn am well, so that our people go understand say time don reach. Make person wey go reach that place, wey get that mind, wey get that heart, wey fit handle people, handle responsibility, handle how e go take be for them. Because at the level be now for Nigeria so, the level don baje, e don spoil well. People no fit even chop again. Wahala don dey for school. Even you reach our church and our mosque, everything don ready come be like say people no fit even dress cloth again. We thank God for Akube o. Akube don help people for this Nigeria, but e no be say na good thing, because we no know where they for bring that cloth come. We get wetin go make us fit produce our own. When we say we know say yes, we dey even dey say Akube for other people. We never fit see the one wey go wear how we want to give people Akube. And that is why we dey talk say all these things na the economy be. Even for our petroleum products, the one wey dey use for fuel, kerosene, diesel, we never fit produce the one wey be say we go fit use for our country here. That is why we no go fit develop reach all those other people if we no carry ourselves do that thing wey bukuru and wetin school talk. We no fit use any other medium except say we go absorb all these things and find out we go use am take carry other people wey be say they know am from other country come, dem come do am for Nigeria. No be everything we go talk say made in China, made in America, made in US, made in London. Now we go still want make we dey come make dem come do made in Nigeria. And no be say this made in Nigeria na wetin be say dem no go fit sell for outside o, we go come fit sell am for outside. Na this time na e don reach when God don give us. So today, last time when I dey talk, I talk about Nigeria economy. I talk Nigeria economy. Say Nigeria economy na economy wey be say e dey with all these one wey dey go bring the ones wey be say they never change come be say person fit use. Na the one wey be say go be say na the one wey just bring out come out. Like say na yam now. If we wan talk about say na yam we dey talk about, shebi say they no dey get yam flour, yam potato, yam chips, all these things. If you look price of the thing wey they call chips wey they bring from all these other big country, that price big pass the one we dey do for Nigeria. Because all of us now don come put our mind say na the one wey they bring from outside obodo oyibo na better pass Nigeria own. Our mind for Nigeria be say if you dey chop anything wey they do for Nigeria, you dey chop poison or you dey chop the one wey no good. but the one wey dem come bring for outside na good. Even for our petroleum product, the one wey dey say dey do for Nigeria, dey say e no good. Say na the one wey dey bring come when everybody go line up for relay go reach Apapa go collect for the one wey say dey bring for wharf, na that one na people say na good. See na dem don cause wahala for traffic wey dey happen for Iganmu for National Theatre, the one wey dey happen for Ojuelegba. Na so you go see all of the line up now. They don even that bridge wey hold dem sef, that bridge go soon fall o if dem no wan comot their truck for there. Come see say everybody now go dey very careful. You know say as bridge dey wey fall for Italy, bridge go fit fall. See Third Mainland Bridge now, shebi no be person wey be say because of all this hungry matter wey dey happen now, na some people come go thief money as dem dey pursue dem wan jump enter inside water. If we go do say make our economy good, make e be say everybody fit work, we go know say the one wey be say come go thief, everybody go know say yes, you no good. Na from pikin dem for carry you no good. But everybody dey find how e wan take even comot for this our country obodo oyibo because they don tire for this our country. But me I don talk say God don that this time when be say people don talk say they don tire, na God take bring person. E be like when they say when Jesus Christ even come, na when everybody don tire for the whole world say we don tire make we, na him dey bring Jesus, say any good thing go fit come from Nazareth. Even our fellow Muslim brothers, na when they tire na the prophet Muhammad come deliver Islam for everybody. So na so God dey bring the people come when we say they don tire. That time when we say people don tire, so now they bring this man because he don go the school, he don experience the people, he don stay for this country, he never comot for Nigeria since as e dey so, but so he know wetin dey happen. I know how they call plenty things, but make we see wetin oyibo people talk. The last time when I dey talk be say we talk say our Nigeria economy when they call am GDP is equals to where so you go see say for this our obodo oyibo wey dem come dey do this thing say our GDP, wetin dem call GDP na dem call gross domestic product, na him contain the everything wey Nigeria gather get, the final national income accounting of Nigeria na go bring our GDP. And as at 2017 our GDP was our GDP was $504 billion. And this one now we dey try talk say we get the money to move this economy. I no know why we go talk say we go still borrow. But even though say we borrow, no problem. But the thing be say make we dey take and do wetin we suppose take and do. But if you look at now primary product, when we say our primary product is equals to crude so we find out that our primary product na crude oil and agricultural product. We no even get the one wey dey come from our natural resources. E so small when be say we no even fit produce again. E get one steel when be say we dey call you go find out that this kaolin na wetin be say e suppose be that one wey be say Nigeria dey produce well well, but we no fit do am again. Go see wetin dey happen for Ajaokuta steel, Delta steel. All these things they don die na project wey be say they no fit do. During the Shehu Shagari time, when be say they start this Ajaokuta steel, shebi no be only 80%, they don do 80%, na only 20% of the road and everything wey go dey, all the construction don do. But when the other government enter, I just wan tell una say the other government wey dey come enter, they come fail to do am. If Nigeria for dey produce steel till now, for wetin come because say we no fit do computer product and cars, we fit do everything. We fit do all these iron things, and which are the expensive things for market now. So the price of primary product no fit compare with price of finished product. And that is why we see say no government, even these parameters, even the intercept, this error term, all these things na things wey be say they dey inside when they call am econometrics. And then be the system of government to tell wetin they go fit do as apportionment for the coefficient. That thing wey dey front of all these things na go show you the apportionment for that long run or the short run error term. The short run error correction term na wetin we fit deduce from here, we fit bring am come out from here, take do the short run and use this one as a long run. So that for one period of time like that, we go fit tell say between now and 4 years time, see wetin we fit do. If you plant cassava now, you fit harvest am. Even technology don talk say you fit harvest am from now till 3 months, even 2 months. There's what they call horticulture, when Israel dey do now, when be say you fit produce mango, cocoa, even all this baby guava. E no mean say e go grow like big tree again before you dey pluck am. They don call am say na horticulture. Say even for ground e go grow, you dey pick am for ground like this, you dey see mango for ground. All this one na technology, all this one na oyibo way. And then we wan try make we try use when we take fit get wetin we wan do so. So the other one wey I go talk about now, na just make I just change this one small. I go just change this one to FP. and change this one now to FP is equals to let me say FP equals to finished product. Well, if we change all these ones now, if we change all these ones to alpha and change all these ones wey dey for here, because if we go do am, we will get another result when we say it go come up like that. And if we change this one